My favorite plant was dying. It had brown edges, yellowing leaves, and no matter what I did, nothing helped. I tried moving it near a window, changing the soil, watering less, watering more, you name it. Still, it looked lifeless. That plant had been with me for years, and watching it slowly fade was honestly heartbreaking. I almost gave up. But then, I tried something so simple, so natural, and so cheap it completely changed everything. I poured one thing on the soil, something I already had in my kitchen, and in just a few days, that plant started to perk up again. Leaves turned green, new shoots came out, and I could hardly believe it. I had to share this with you because if you love your plants like I do, this little trick could save them too.
Let me show you how.
All you need is one banana peel. That's it. Not a special fertilizer, not a store-bought plant tonic. Just a banana peel. After I ate the banana, I cut the peel into smaller pieces and put them in a mason jar filled with water. I let that sit for about 2 days. The water becomes rich with potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Everything plants love when they're tired or stressed. No smell, no bugs, just nutrient-packed plant tea made right in my kitchen, and it's completely free. After the water was ready, I used it exactly like normal water, just pouring it at the base of the plant, never on the leaves. Within a few days, I started to see a change. The color came back. The leaves weren't drooping anymore. It looked alive again. I was amazed. I now use banana peel water every week, not just for indoor plants, but even for my tomatoes and herbs outside. It's gentle, natural, and works like magic. But that's not all. If your plant's problem is deeper, like root rot, fungus, or that sour smell in the soil, there's another kitchen item that saved me more than once. Cinnamon. Yes, the same cinnamon you sprinkle on toast. It turns out cinnamon is a powerful natural antifungal. If a plant's roots are mushy or dark, I remove the old soil, trim the damaged roots, and then dust the healthy roots with a little cinnamon before repotting. Sometimes I sprinkle a bit on the surface of the soil too. It helps keep fungus and gnats away. Cinnamon protects the plant gently, without chemicals. It's safe, easy, and costs almost nothing. Now, I know you might be wondering, doesn't a banana peel attract bugs? It would if you buried it raw in the soil. But soaking it in water first changes the game. No flies, no smell, just nutrients.
This is the part most people miss.
And cinnamon? Some folks think it's just a spice. But in the plant world, it's a quiet hero, working behind the scenes to heal roots and protect soil. I've tested this on peace lilies, pothos, snake plants, even a sad little basil plant I almost threw away. These tricks work because they're simple, natural, and built on what plants actually need. The best part? You don't need to go out and buy anything. No chemicals.
No fancy gadgets.
Just things you already have at home. It's amazing how often we overlook the power of the kitchen when it comes to gardening. That banana you ate for breakfast? It could be the reason your plant survives the week. That spice on your shelf could save your soil from fungus. Nature helping nature how it's always meant to be. So if your plants are struggling right now, give this a try. Make that banana peel tea. Add a dash of cinnamon if things look bad. And don't give up on your plant yet. Sometimes, all it takes is a small act of care to bring something back to life. I've done it, and now I watch those once dying plants grow stronger every week. If this helped, I'd love it if you liked this video and dropped a comment telling me which plant you're going to try this on first. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, no-fluff gardening tips that actually work. Every plant has a story. Maybe today, you start writing yours again. Go grab a banana, a bit of cinnamon, and go save a plant today.